Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some rainbow pony beads. I have some metallic silver. If you don't have those, of course you could use whatever you have on hand. You're also going to need scissors, a lighter, a needle, and I have a few feet of string here. You're also going to need some of these little charms. These big ones are on my store on Etsy, and then I got the small ones on beadtin. And if you don't have those charms, you could just use some specialty beads in their place. But we're going to start with one end of the string here, and we're going to put on 2 pink, 1 silver. We're going to put on 2 orange, 1 silver, 2 yellow, 1 silver, 2 green, 1 silver, 2 blue, 1 silver, 2 purple, and 1 silver. I'm going to repeat the same pattern and then I'm going to tie it off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then I'll come back. Okay guys, I put both sets of rainbow on. This is what it looks like. What you're going to do is tie it off and then you'll cut your excess off. On the other end, where I put my needle on here. So I recently figured out this trick. If you just pull the string down, you don't have to go through this first bead here, because you want the knot behind this bead. I used to, when I started this pattern, I would have gone through with the needle for this bead, but instead if you just pull back and get the knot behind this bead, you'll be fine. We're going to add on 3 pink and go through the silver. Three orange, go through the silver. 3 yellow, go through the silver. Uh-oh. 3 green, go through the silver. 3 blue, go through the silver bead. 3 purple, and then go through the silver. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. You're going to add 3 beads of each color and go through the silver. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added my last 3 beads, purple. To start the next row, you're going to need to go through this silver and these 2 pink. And this is what it looks like so far. For the next row, we're going to add pink. I lost my bead. Silver and orange. So if you look across here, you can see that this pattern matches up, and we're gonna go through the middle orange bead. The next one, orange, silver, yellow, and you're gonna go through the middle yellow. Okay, the next one is yellow, silver, green, and we'll go through the green. We're going to add green, silver, and blue, and you're going to go through the middle blue. Blue, silver, purple, and we're going to go through the purple. Purple, silver, and pink. Go through the middle pink. And that's what it looks like so far. Now we're back to where we started. Same here on the pink. You're going to repeat the same pattern on this side, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. These were my last 3 beads that I put on. Now we need to go through this pink, silver. Okay, now for this part, we're going to put on the pattern of the rainbow. Pink, yellow, or pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. We're going to add a silver. And then we're going to repeat that. Pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now, what we're going to do is make a circle. So we're coming out this direction. We're going to take our needle and go back through. And we're going to go through all these orange beads and this silver. So we made a whole circle. And then took our needle all through these beads here. And that's what it looks like. I'm going to show you that one more time. Okay, so we put the rainbow on twice and put the silver bead in the middle. Now we're going to go back through the silver and then through all 3 yellow and this silver. And we have this little loop here. So we're making these loops on every single silver bead. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay guys, I added my last set on. We're going to go through the silver, these three pink and the silver here. And this is what it looks like so far. And what we need to do is take our needle and go down through all these beads to get to the silver. And we want these to do a twisting motion. So if you see the string is coming out this way, but we're going to twist it so it goes the other way. We're going to add 2 silver on, and then this one, twist it. So we added the 2 silver. We're going to go through this silver. Twist this. We'll add a silver and go through this one. So we're always twisting and then adding a bead and going through this one. Oops. Guys, what am I doing? We need to put 2 on, not 1. Let's backtrack. So we did the first one, right? Gosh, what am I doing? Okay, we're adding 2, not 1, in between each one. So twist and go through. Adding 2, going through. See, I make mistakes too. We're adding 2, twist this and go through. Adding 2, twist this, go through. And if you ran out of string, you can always tie on more, so don't worry about that. I know I'm getting close here, but I think I'm going to make it. Yep, just enough. Okay, so this last one, twisted it, and we're going to go through and tie it onto the string here. Well, I barely made it with that string. That was lucky. And stretch it out a little bit. And this is what it looks like. Got the metallic stuff all over the place. Okay, now we need to add our charms, or you can use any fun beads that you have. And what I do is I put these you see there's a little opening here and here. Okay. I'm going to do the rest of these off camera and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I did a total of 4 of these, and what I'm going to do is put 1 in between the blue and the purple. And to do that, you want to pull the string, and I put my finger there, And you want to be kind of gentle with these when you put them on the bead. So you put one side in and then just gently pull the other side over. There is a stress point in these, so if you try to, manhandle these, they could break on you. It doesn't happen a lot, but you just, and then it'll be nice and secure on there. The next one, well, I'm going to do this side over here too. So we did in between the blue and the purple. So you just put one side on. Well, I lost my grip there. Put one side on and then pull the other one over. Okay, now we're going to do in between the orange and yellow. And these are really cool because they make this little sound. I love these. I used to make these and put them on my visor back in the day. Like, I completely forgot about this, so I wanted to bring it back. And I think it's going to look pretty cool on this bracelet here. Oh, which one fell off? Oh, it didn't. I just had an extra. Yes. This is pretty cool here. But this is what it looks like. Well, this turned out better than I imagined. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.